Most people are terrified of being alone with their own thoughts. We drown our minds in endless scrolling, constant notifications, and the voices of people who don't even matter to us. But what if I told you that 48 hours of radical silence is the most powerful weapon you can possess? In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how a 2-day dark reset can rebuild your mental strength, reclaim your focus, and make you untouchable to the toxic world outside. This isn't just a break, it's a reclamation of your soul. We live in a state of constant mental noise. Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius warned us that the soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Today, our thoughts are dyed with the colors of digital distractions. This constant stimulation keeps your brain's dopamine levels at an unnatural peak, making you anxious, reactive, and easily manipulated. When you never pull away, you lose the ability to see who you actually are versus who the world wants you to be. Radical solitude is different from just staying home. It requires a strict protocol. 1. Digital blackout. The first rule is the hardest: absolute digital disconnection. Your phone is not just a tool, it is a tether to 1,000 other minds. Every time you check a notification, you are surrendering your focus to a stranger. During these 48 hours, you must cut the cord. This creates a dopamine fast. By removing the constant spikes of cheap stimulation from social media, your brain begins to recalibrate. You'll move from a state of reactive anxiety, where you're waiting for the next hit of noise, to a state of active presence. You aren't just turning off a screen, you are turning back on your own consciousness. 2. Zero speech. When we speak, we are often trying to manage how others perceive us. We explain ourselves, we complain, and we fill the void with meaningless words just to avoid discomfort. By committing to 48 hours of silence, you stop the social performance. This silence forces your energy inward. You will realize how much of your daily mental energy is wasted on external validation. When the world stops hearing your voice, you finally start hearing your own. This is where you identify the difference between your true values and the noise you've adopted from the people around you. 3. The mirror effect. Finally, you will encounter the mirror effect. Around the 24-hour mark, the initial peace often turns into a deep, heavy restlessness. Without the noise of the world to distract you, your insecurities, your regrets, and your true ambitions will rise to the surface. Most people quit here because they are afraid of what they see. But in Stoicism, this is the dark reset. By sitting with this discomfort instead of running from it, you strip away the illusions you've built. You face your shadow, as Carl Jung described it. Surviving this stage is what builds that unshakable mental strength your audience admires. You come out the other side no longer afraid of your own company, which makes you immune to the manipulation of others. Why does this matter? Because when you survive 48 hours with nothing but your own mind, you realize you don't need the validation of the crowd. You return to the world with a silent power. People will notice a shift in your energy. You become less reactive to insults, less desperate for attention, and far more dangerous to those who try to control you. You've mastered the one thing most people fear: yourself. Are you strong enough to face 48 hours of silence, or is the noise too comfortable? Comment, "Silence is power," if you're ready to take the challenge. If you want to know more about the silent shifts that make people respect you, watch this video next. Stay strong, stay human,